The new mildly flammable refrigerants do not contain propane. True or false?
That's true.
It's true.
That's right.
Ah.
You just have to add a little refrigerant every now and then to keep the unit working well.
Because there's more parts to a AC unit than just refrigerant, and if you have to keep adding it, there's probably a leak.
You should always store household cleaning supplies, paint, and other unused chemicals in the garage or shed away from your home.
That's real. That's true.
VOCs are bad for you and your system.
Paints and cleaning supplies can emit like VOCs, chemical smells and stuff you're breathing in. So if that's inside your home, you're breathing that in constantly. Your AC is pulling it across the coil, so it's best to just keep that out of the way.
Vacuum cleaners may clean your home, but they also put unhealthy particles in your air. I should turn my air conditioner unit off during hot summer days while I'm not at home to save electricity. True or false? The thermostat location doesn't matter.
So if your thermostat is located near a window where maybe when the sun rises, the sunlight's going directly on it, that may cause your system to run more because it thinks it's hotter in that spot than it actually is. Or maybe it's in direct line with a vent, so it's getting that cold air over across it, which may cause the system to shut down because it thinks it's colder than it actually is.
UV lights are excellent at killing harmful microbes in the airstream.
The UV light only cleans surfaces that the light's able to, get to.
Fresh air ventilation can help keep you from getting sick.
Whoa.
True.
Fresh air is healthier. How can homeowners help clean the air in their home?
Change out their filters.
Medium filter.
Better filtration, so a larger media filter.
Air conditioning can account for about 25% of your home's energy use.
That's so true.
True.
Yes. What are some ways to bring fresh air into the home?
With a fresh air controller and damper, that way it's not constantly sucking in air from outside. You want it to only add in a little bit of air at a time, and then you want to run that through a dehumidifier.
What's the number one reason homeowners feel uncomfortable in their homes even when the AC is working?
Humidity.
How often should a homeowner really change their filters?
At least every 3 months, but you should check it every month because every household's different.
What is the purpose of refrigerant in HVAC?
To help take heat out of the home.
It's totally normal that your heat pump has a thin layer of frost on the outdoor coil when running in heat.
True.
Okay, how much frost is too much frost?
How much frost is too much frost? I would say if you see a giant block of ice, that's probably too much. A little bit of frost is normal because that coil's getting real cold, but it should go into defrost after a while and get rid of it.
True or false? Humidity control is absolutely critical to achieving comfort.
That's so true.
Seems very true to me.